Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the essentials are ready. OnePlus TV is on, updated, and on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Once done, enable the built-in Chromecast or screen mirror option in TV settings so the receiver is discoverable. Next, open the app you plan to cast from or the system cast control on your phone. You want it actively searching. This immediate start avoids wasting time on basic setup and gets you into the pairing step without delay. Once your phone finds the OnePlus TV, tap its name to initiate pairing, and then accept any confirmation on the TV. This establishes the connection. Make sure you grant audio and screen permissions on your phone so the stream can play sound and share the display. If you notice lag, open the app's cast quality settings and reduce resolution to 720p or 1080p. This lowers bandwidth use and stabilizes playback. Also make sure background apps now begin playback on your phone. The content should appear on the OnePlus TV and audio will route to the TV speakers. Use your phone to pause, seek, or change tracks. And if you need to end the session, simply tap cast and disconnect or use the TV remote to stop casting. If you run into problems, a quick reboot of both devices and confirming they share the same Wi-Fi band usually fixes it. If problems persist, try connecting the TV to Ethernet to rule out wireless interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.